Asakusa, Tokyo, is a vibrant and captivating location for a daytime photo walk, offering an eclectic mix of history, culture, and the daily rhythm of life. The district's lively markets, traditional temples, and streets filled with both locals and tourists present endless opportunities for candid street photography. The sunlight casts a warm glow on the colorful stalls, intricate architecture, and lively faces, creating beautiful contrasts of light and shadow. From capturing the busy street vendors and craftsmen to spontaneous moments like children, laughing, or worshippers in prayer, there's always something intriguing to photograph. Asakusa's hidden corners also offer quieter moments, an artist sketching under a tree or a cat basking in the sun, perfect for more intimate shots. With its blend of old-world charm and modern energy, Asakusa provides a rich tapestry of subjects, making it an ideal location for capturing the soul of Tokyo through your lens.